So, are you looking for a good budget TWS? Well, today I have one for you. I have been using the Oppo Enco buds for more than 2 months now, and in this video you will see a full review of these TWS buds from Oppo. My name is Kritik and let's start with the review. Before digging into the review, let's check the specifications. The buds support the newer Bluetooth version 5.2. It supports 5 volts 1 amps charging and is also equipped with USB Type-C. It has a rating of IP54, which means protection against dust and water resistance. Now let's start with the review. Let's talk about the sound first. Well, in my opinion, the sound is great on this one with a slight touch of bass. However, this is not a bass head, so don't expect too much of bass. The mic is also great on this one. Never got a complaint from anyone regarding bad or less mic input or my volume whenever I am speaking, unless you use one earbuds and keep the other one at a distance of more than 5 to 6 meters with wall barriers degrading the wireless signal. Now that does mean that the Bluetooth range is good on this one. Did not face any issues regarding the wireless connectivity or Bluetooth range. So you can easily use this earbuds at a range of 5 to 6 meters with wall barriers and 7 to 8 meters or maybe maximum 10 meters without any wall barriers. Now that will also depend on the Bluetooth version. This earbuds was tested with both Bluetooth 4.0 device and Bluetooth 5.0 device. Talking about the battery life, the Oppo Enco buds can easily last between 4 to 6 hours depending on the volume you are using or listening at and the usage. Do note that this is with the full charge of the buds and not the case plus buds or the case only. So you can be sure that the buds would easily last for 3 hours minimum with volume near to full level, 4 to 5 hours with medium volume levels and up to 6 hours at lower volume levels. In my usage, the volume has always been around 70% and it would easily give me 4 hours of playback. Now this case has a battery of 400 milliamp hour and the earbuds has approximate of 45 milliamp hours of battery. Now with this case battery, it does give you a lot of battery backup and I can hardly remember when I last charged this one. So the battery backup isn't a problem on the Oppo Enco buds. Talking about the comfort, the buds are easy in the ears and do not cause any pain. However, this can be subjective to each and every person. In my case, luckily the buds were comfortable and even my mom tried it. But do they fall or start coming out or start getting loose? Well, sometimes yes, but not always. If you are wearing it laying down with your head on the either side, the chances of the buds coming out and falling is there, but not to worry, it does not fall or leave its grip when you are sitting straight, walking or laying straight. Now this is also a subjective part and it can be affected by the size and shape of your ears as well. Let's talk about some features. The auto connect feature of the Oppo Enco buds is great and works 10 out of 10 times. The build quality of the buds and the case also looks good and feels great. It is also durable as well. The noise cancellation is perfect as well and no complaints regarding that. It also has touch controls. You can perform multiple tasks by simply tapping on the respective earbud and had no problems with that as well. So the features are working perfectly fine. The net weight of the earbuds is 45 grams approximate with the case. Overall, the Oppo Enco buds is totally a good choice in my opinion. So that was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please click on that like button, share and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.